Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how we can get everything related with plant maintenance, all the transaction codes related with plant maintenance, and we are going to use the power of area menu. Okay, and this is something that is available in S4 HANA also. So I'll go to IW, so I'll just type in IW00, and here you can see this notification. You can get notification from here. You don't know anything about plant maintenance, you can get order. It's all combined. You can get the list, capacity requirement planning, you can do the completion confirmation. You get everything in and out. Okay, and this is available in SAP ECC6 as well as S4 HANA, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so here you can see Migo. You can click on the history, you can see historical records, you can get order list, you name it, you'll find everything. And here you can see the different document flow list and all those things. So this is very useful. So the magic word is IW00. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning, and have a good